Hello, I'm Vlad, Russian biohacker from Belgium, and happy owner of a new VuzeVR XR camera for 3D filming. And we are sharing it with other people, and after 1 month, we found that there is something wrong going on. The camera lenses get more and more scratches, and apparently that pocket cannot do anything against it. And once I started to think about it, it became obvious that we have a company did a really serious flaw in design. That soft, nice, sexy pocket that's supposed to protect camera, in fact, is killing the camera, and very fast. So I will going to explain you what's going on and offer the solution, what to do with this. Once you know it, you can improvise your own solution. So camera is now filming, so I will use some objects as a replacement for the camera. It's one of my special phones. So when we put the camera inside of that pocket, the problem is that it's very tight, and it's really slides in with a tension. And normally in the air and everywhere there is a lot of microparticles, the dust, and some of those particles can be very abrasive, especially if there is construction work around and so on, or you live close to the sea, sands, bank, and deserts, for example. Anyway, in a lot of those abrasive particles, they end up on the camera, and they also end up here from the air. And once they integrate it into that soft surface inside, every time you move it in and out, you get scratches on the lenses, because lenses are not protected at all from scratch. So actually, yes, it's a major mistake of producers. Nice design, very sexy, you put it in, oh, you feel it like, big dick. But the problem is that it kills the camera. So how to solve it? What I did, I took just a box from Polaroid glasses and cut those holes in it from one side, so it can go this way. And found a very, very big pocket from soft tissue from the glasses, in fact. So you put the camera into that thing, yeah, inside, and then you take that shaft, the leg of the camera, and only leg, no, not lens. Lenses are here. You put it over the camera. It's a soft foam, yeah, and put it on the side position like this, so the lenses face there and there, and then the problem is done. So now it's not moving, it's good, and even if it's vibrating and so on, the lenses don't get in a strong contact with the surface like here, because here, even if it holds very well, small vibrations and one abrasive particle there will destroy your lens. That's how it works. So now I get you guess the idea, so you can make your own creative solution for that problem, because it's always possible, of course, to make a special box for this, like put here some plastic material, and then the camera will go again on the side and will be held like this, so the lenses will never get into the contact with any surface. Voila, I hope that creators and sellers of that VuzeXR camera will find that material very, very interesting. They will fix that problem, preferably like this. This is best fixed. And to make a special box for this, with mind about the problem with glasses, with the lenses. And yeah, maybe they will find me and send me a free camera as appreciation of my efforts to solve their fault in design. Yes, it is. Voila. What else? No problem. Other way around, camera is perfect. No problem at all.